Allumage UAP et top décollage. Les paramètres bons sont conformes à l'attendu.
At 18:43 local time and right on time, you saw it. Ariane 5 began with the thin cloud layer. We had so much rain today, we didn't think we'd have any visibility at all. She's burning 5 tons of fuel every second. That's 2.5 tons of fuel every second in each booster. Should be right about now. That looks like the flame out right there. You are. The 2 boosters falling away on either side. You see that very clearly. And the dot in the middle, that is the core stage Ariane continuing on her way. Very clear shots.